Hey friends, we talk about the new question. It's a DSA problem like next greater element. It's based on stack. We need to firstly understand the stack. What is the stack functionality? What is why stack will working on LIFO concept? What is push and pop? तो आपको ये सब टर्म्स आपको पता होना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत नेक्स्ट ग्रेटर एलिमेंट क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए। आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको द गिवन ऑफ द एरे ऑफ एन एलिमेंट्स एक एन एलिमेंट की लेंथ की लंबाई के एरे गिवन है आपको एंड देन यू नीड टू फाइंड द नेक्स्ट ग्रेटर एलिमेंट नाउ एंड इफ यू नॉट फाइंड देन वी नीड टू प्रिंट द -1। आप बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए आप सिंपल इनपुट आउटपुट देख सकते हैं। इसका इनपुट डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको यहाँ दिया हुआ है। Here you given the test cases, whatever the test cases, how many, and n means the length of the array, and whatever the array will given to you. And there, here is the output description, what you need to find each by line. Here is the simple input, like this is the test case. How many test case will be given in the simple input? Here is the array, whatever the array length will be given here, and whatever the array will be stored in. And here is the simple output, what you need to achieve now. So guys, for that you need to, whatever I explained to you, further you assist, ये आपको होना चाहिए एंड स्टैक की थोड़ी बहुत आइडिया आपको जरूर होना चाहिए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए। तो आइए हम इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं। We need to proceed like firstly we write the input part, like input equal to then we create a variable for the test case plus for the number only. If we write number also it's working because we need to change this input value is already in the string, that's why I will change in the number. So there is a two way to do, uh, you write here number or plus also it's working. After that we need to write this value. This for loop will there is a for loop for 0 to t, the test case, whatever test case will be given to you. Here you can see now the input description will given us. And then after that, given the length of array, so I will take a variable for that. And one thing I forget for that, like put the line number, like let take a variable line and provide one here for that. After I will take the array length, whatever given to you. Firstly, we like write input or line because we will check with line and it will we need to change a number, so we need to write plus line. After that we will increase the line, and after that we need to call the array, and there we will take input of line dot split space for, because here you can see in input here the space will be given, that's why I split the number to store in my array. After that split I need to map this using because need to convert in number, that's why I am doing this. Again, I will increase the line plus plus, and here I will call the my function next greater element. So, I will pass the my length of the array and array, and I will copy this function name. I will create one function here, and I will pass the value of like array and array name, because only these two things will be needed. That's why. So I will print out and I will check now. This is fine or not. Yeah, you look at the array length and array will be printed it out. Okay, so next we input taking part will be ready for that. After that, we need to solve the problem. We need to like comment it out this line, because we need to only change for that. This is how we can solve now. I take a one for loop and provide this for loop for 0 to uh, not 0. I will go reverse in reverse order. So I will give uh, go n minus 1, and I is greater than equal to 0, and decrease the I value, and there we will create a one while loop, and whatever logic we written there, like for create one array called stack, and we will create here. Firstly, we will create array called stack. This is empty array, and after that, in while loop, we need to check stack this array length. Array length is greater than 0, and other logic also for like length will be greater than 0 also. And second thing, we will in same array stack. In stack we will check again stack dot length, and stack dot length minus 1 for, because we need to check from the last of this array, and check it is less equal to whatever array given to whatever array will given to him. And if this condition will write, I will pop up the value from the stack, and inside this inside this for that we will go outside the while loop and check if my stack dot length is greater than 0. Then we need to uh, we will take one more array, let answer equal to, and this array we need to push if stack length is greater than 0, we will need to push the value minus 1, because if we go there only, you need to check now uh, You understand the question now? If the let's get each element in array and print -1 if does not exist. And after that we will go inside else and we push in answer array. We need to push whatever we store in my stack. We need to push stack dot length -1 in lastly only. And if I will go out this side, we need to push in stack dot push my actual array. And after that, go outside of my for loop. I need to print this answer of array in reverse order and need to join this one using space because my output also come accordingly to the space. That's why I will put the join from the space only. We need to run this code now. Okay, something wrong. I think we need to put this code inside. I think I'm doing some silly mistake for like stack will be their spelling mistake. That's why it will be from like that. Okay, we need to check it now again. If I will check let or where, one second, I will. Yeah, you see the output will be same now. And if I will submit we will firstly test the code now, where the test cases is running. Okay, I will find all the test case will be running properly. We need to submit the code. Yeah, you can see now all the test case will be passed now. So there how we can achieve this task now. For the for loop need to do from last side from the array and take this array and check the length whatever store in my array and pop up this value and again check the length. If length is 0, I will push in my new array for the -1 and if length is not equal to 0, I will check my stack length and push this stack array in my new array. And if not pass this all three condition, I will directly push the array in my whatever new array created and in my print this new array in reverse order and use join for the spaces whatever spaces is there.